Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by registering a service worker and generating Vapid keys. This is required for authenticated pushes. Once done, make sure your site runs over HTTPS and the worker scope covers notification pages. Then, register service worker. JS in your main script and verify it becomes active. You should also generate and securely store the Vapid private key on your server while keeping the public key client accessible. These steps enable push subscription calls that follow immediately. You now request notification permission, and after permission is granted, call service worker registration. Push manager. Subscribe using the Vapid public key. Once subscribed, convert the push subscription to JSON and send it to your server endpoint. Store it tied to the user or device. Then implement server-side logic to format payloads and call the push service using the subscription endpoint and keys. Make sure to handle denied permissions and unsubscriptions gracefully so your server list stays current. You finish by sending push messages from your server using the saved subscription, signed with Vapid and encrypted payloads. Once the service worker receives a push event, show a user notification and wire click and action handlers to open or focus relevant pages. Finally, implement expiration and error handling. When a push returns gone or unauthorized, remove the subscription. If things go wrong, verify Vapid keys, ensure HTTPS, and check that the service worker is active and correctly handling push events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.